Welcome to Autolink, the place where your ideas take shape with precision, powered by the future of manufacturing technology. At Autolink, innovation knows no boundaries. From our high-tech headquarters in Dongguan, China, to our agile support hub in Chennai, India, and our fast-growing base in Hidalgo, Mexico, we're building a connected world of smart manufacturing, one solution at a time. At Autolink, every machine starts with a question. How can we make it better? Smarter, faster? Our answer: bold engineering, sharp minds. We've created a manufacturing space that thinks like the future, fully equipped, fully optimized, and always evolving. We don't just build machines, we engineer possibilities. With advanced tools, sharp systems, and a team that thrives on challenges, we turn CNC machines into precision and perfection every time. Where next-gen CNC technology meets expert craftsmanship, our machines are designed to lead, outshine, and stand strong. This is Autolink, where machines are smart and ideas are unstoppable.